In my 11 plus years in product management, I've reviewed thousands of resumes of aspiring product managers and also interviewed hundreds of aspiring product managers and product managers. And these are the 5 mistakes that is costing people their dream product manager role, and the 5th mistake is the biggest culprit. So watch this video till the end and let's fix them together. And if you have not watched my previous video where I've discussed about the top 5 LinkedIn profile tips to land your first product manager job, then do check that out after this video, and the link is available in the description. Mistake number 1 is not including summary section. It is the first place in your resume that hiring managers and recruiters looks at, and that helps them understand that who you are and what you can bring to the table. And do you know that hiring managers hardly spend 6 to 7 seconds to quickly scan through your resume, and based on that they make their decision. And when you have the summary section added at the top of your resume, it helps them get the entire gist about you and your unique value proposition in just few seconds, and that makes their life easy. And also, summary section is the best place to populate as much as keywords that are related for their job opportunity or for their job description. So here are summary section template that you can use. So you can start with product enthusiast with X years of experience, whatever is your years of experience in XYZ role or in the industry, skilled in key transferable skills mentioned here, like whatever the skills that you have learned or that you have already gained in your previous role, aspiring to transition into product management to create user-centric solutions and deliver measurable business impact through innovative strategies. So you can use this summary template, and you can also tweak it, make it better, refine it using the ChatGPT. Before we will dive into the mistake number 2, I want to share something important with you. If you want to get into this product management role, so I will recommend you to click on the link below and book a free one-on-one demo call with my team, where we will showcase you that how we can help you land into this product management role in the easiest and the smoothest way. Mistake number 2 that people make is putting skills in the bottom. As I mentioned earlier, that recruiters and hiring managers quickly skim through your resume or scan your resume in just 6 to 7 seconds of time. So the second section that is important for them is the skills section, and if you are having the skills buried at the bottom of your resume, in that case they will not be able to notice that clearly. So skills section are very important because they showcase to the recruiter and hiring manager your immediate fit for this position, because whenever, especially for the hiring managers and the recruiters, they are set that these are the 5 skills or 10 skills that they are looking for. These are the traits that they are looking for quickly. So in that case, in the summary section, as I mentioned, and secondly the skill section, if they find the relevant skills over there, they quickly give you a go ahead, because they don't have hours to scan through your resume, so they quickly shortlist your resume from there. And what I recommend you, there is a hack that in your skills section you can also tweak your skills a bit. I don't want you to manipulate it, but you can tweak those. So let's suppose if there is a company that they have mentioned in their JD that they are looking for someone who is proficient with Asana. There's a tool for project management called Asana, but you are familiar with the Jira. So in that case, you can mention replace Jira with Asana, because all these tools sound similar. Same goes with the UX design. If they are looking for any particular analytical tool, because most of these tools 80-20% part is same, 80% part is same, 20% are different. Okay, so you can make a little tweak in your skill section over there. The keywords that you are using in the summary section and the skill section, they makes an impact in getting shortlisted over there. And also it's the best place to add what are the skills, the tools that you are familiar with. So use this place wisely, and also add it to your second position in your resume should be for the skills. Mistake number 3 is putting education over experience. I totally agree that you have done your education from a well-renowned college. Okay, you have learned a lot of things over there, but the practical experience and the proven results matters more than any kind of the educational qualification. So always place the education at the end, unless you are a recent graduate or you don't have any experience as of now. And whenever you are mentioning these experiences, I will recommend you to add them with your measurable achievements, the impact, what impact that you have made in that particular role, in that particular position. The fourth mistake is not showing impact. Recruiters and hiring managers prioritize results over the responsibilities, because for them results are more important than whatever you have done. So simply listing out what you have done, okay, doesn't prove your value, doesn't differentiate you from others. But when you add your achievements, your impact, that what impact you have done, okay, that will measurable impact, when you add over there, that will add more credibility and also help you differentiate from other people who are applying for the same role. So here is an example that you should look into. So the first person had added like manage project timelines and delivered features on schedule, and the second person is adding delivered 5 features ahead of the schedule, boosting team efficiency by 20% and improving customer satisfaction by 15%. Which one is the best way to put in? The second way. And to come up with that what is the measurable achievements or what is the impact that you have bring in, I will recommend you to go through a so what exercise. This is literally very useful, so try that out. So let's suppose you have managed project timelines and delivered features on schedule. Now ask yourself, so what? So definitely because of that you ensured smooth execution of deliverables without delays. Now so what? So this allowed other teams to stay aligned and reduce dependencies. So what? This boosted team efficiency by 20%. So what? This improved customer satisfaction by 15%. So here is the final impact that you have come up with. So delivered 5 features ahead of schedule, boosting the efficiency by 20% and improving customer satisfaction by 15%. This is the final impact that you have to add over there. And the fifth mistake is that not tailoring resume for each application. Do you know that the recruiters, hiring managers and the ATS application tracking softwares are looking for specific keywords that are mentioned in their job description? They are looking for those specific keywords in the resumes of the keywords or the skills. Okay, relevant skills that are mentioned in the job description. They are looking for these things in the resume of the people, those who are applying. And a generic resume fails to align with the unique requirement of each role, which eventually decrease your chances of getting shortlisted. Because if you have created a single resume and if you are using everywhere, applying using the same, because every company is demanding for different set of skills, every company is having the different keywords that are used in the JD. So if you are using the same resume, definitely that your chance of getting resume shortlisted are very, very low. So keep tweaking it. And which all the sections which you can improvise based on these keywords and based on these skills that are mentioned in the JD. So there are 3 primary sections which you can play with. First is the summary section, then is the skills section, and the third is the experience section. These are the 3 sections where you can make the major tweaking. And primarily in the summary and the skills section are the 2 sections, if I will consider it. Okay, these are 2 sections which can be customized based on these skills and these keywords that are required for this particular JD. So I always recommend you to highlight the key achievements, the projects, the tools and the transferable skills that are more relevant for this job posting, job position. So let's suppose in the role they have emphasized on a thing or on a skill called agile. So in that case, if someone is writing collaborated with the teams and delivered features on schedule, is this a right way? Or what is the another way is that someone can write it in such a way like collaborated with cross-functional teams using agile methodology to deliver 5+ features, improving team efficiency by 20%. Which one is the right approach to write it? It's definitely the second one, because it have included the keyword agile, which this hiring manager, this recruiter and this ATS are looking for based on that JD that they have created. So I will recommend you to use tools like Resume Worded, Job Scan, or even you can use the word cloud as well to figure out the important keywords, the skills from that particular JD and try to populate them as much as into your resume. And also you can compare using these tools like resume budget and job scan. You can compare the JD with your resume and then keep iterating it, keep improving it unless it is a right fit for that particular job description. So I will recommend you to go through these things and make a better resume, which will increase your chances of getting resume shortlisted. So these are the 5 biggest mistakes that people make, the aspiring product managers make while applying for a product manager role. So avoid them in year 2025. And if you have not booked a free one-on-one demo call with my team, then book it right away. And over there in the call, if you want to know that how we can help you land into this product management role, in that case, definitely book a one-on-one demo call with my team, and we will showcase you that how we can help you land into this PM role in the smoothest and the easiest way in next 4 to 5 months of time. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.